In this video, we will look at how to tweak the self-generated machine ID when activating your hybrid cloud observability license or any SolarWinds self-hosted platform product. The self-generated machine ID happens when you trigger activating the license of an unknown SolarWinds self-hosted platform product or a hybrid cloud observability. What happens is the license manager will generate a false UMID or a unique machine ID. A sample of a false or self-generated machine ID is when your machine ID has the last 16 zeros. To fix this, you need to select the product first that you wish to activate its license and select the Activate button. From there, the license manager will successfully generate a valid machine ID. Then from here, follow the procedure on how to do the offline license activation. Go to your customer portal, click on Activate License manually, fill in the information, add the machine ID, click on Generate License File, download the activation file, go back to your web console, and under License Manager, click on Next, choose the activation file, open, click on Action. Should you not be able to generate a valid machine ID, you can create a customer service case to assist you further.